So anyway, back to this before I got that phone call. So we got the blueberries, organic. They look a little bit squishy, so I'll have to use those pretty rapidly so they don't go too bad, go tad too fast. But they're a product of the U.S. I don't like buying produce from outside, but sometimes you got to do it. Anyway, this right here is a brioche sliced, and this has whatever that little things right there stand for. So best things you can happen since sliced bread, contain ingredients, so on and so forth. But the ingredients you see right here: wheat flour, sugar. Ugh, why do you have to put sugar in bread? Eggs, butter, canola oil, water, yeast, salt, and all these other crap that you don't need in there. So I won't be buying this again. Eggs and milk and wheat. So those are the main ingredients you need right there, but you don't need all this other. You definitely don't need sugar added to it because, you know, wheat's sweet on its own. Yeast, salt, but you don't need these other things right here. This is just ridiculous. They want to be healthy. They claim to be healthy, but it's a French recipe. Well, I guess French do what they want. Non-GMO, no artificial flavors. Well, I'll see about that. Anyway, so that's where we're at. I don't remember what the price of this was, but the produce looks to be pretty decent. I did the math comparison before I bought it, obviously. So this was well within the budget, our regular weekly budget for everything that's in here. So then I got another box over here that I'm gonna open up later on. That's cleaning supplies, so I'll post that as we go. But this is it, and it came upside down, but it doesn't matter because nothing's spilled out, nothing's broken, and it's all good to go.